The market where you can make the most money for Amazon is Amazon.com, because it's a huge marketplace with the most number of Prime members. Like, the vast majority of households in America have got Prime membership, which is astounding. So if your focus is on hotness relative to where you're most likely to get the most sales for your product, then Amazon.com is probably the best market for you. The hottest, newest market, is for me the European market, and that's probably because I'm here. I'm kind of privy to what's happening with that, and so there are over 700 million people in Europe, and whilst everybody speaks a different language and is very, very different, it's pretty easy to localize things for that. So the hottest, newest market for me is the European market, so Germany, France, Spain, Italy, etc. And the market with the most potential, I believe, is India. There's a massive amount of evidence to suggest that the Indian marketplace for Amazon is going to be huge. It's their fastest growing marketplace, and so I believe that will be an absolutely huge one. India is an interesting one for people who are not in India to actually get set up there, especially if you're in an entrepreneurial country like Australia or USA or UK, for instance, where setting up a business and a business bank account is very, very easy. You will find India particularly frustrating to deal with, but I believe that's an opportunity because of that, because most people, when they see difficulty, they give up. They won't do what's necessary to put something together to make it work. And because of that, it puts a weird moat around any business you build there, the difficulty of actually getting it to market. So that's kind of interesting. Australia, very, very cool marketplace. Now the number one destination for e-commerce. That was always going to happen, but now the number one place for e-commerce. So that's cool. And I think that you so take all that, and then you got to think about, well, what the fuck am I selling? What is my product? Because it's no good putting a product that suits a cold climate into a hot climate, for instance. Very glib example, but and expecting it to sell. It just won't. Okay, so you got to think about what your product is as well. So when you're going through the product process, I think that it's smart to think about who you're going to be selling to. Customer avatar is important, and a part and parcel of the avatar is where are they. So yeah, so everything I've just said should be taken with a liberal grain of salt. But anyway, that's my thoughts on marketplaces 2023.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 e-commerce professionals right around the world. We're the fastest growing e-commerce community right here in Australia, for instance, with sales, by the way, of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out more about what we do, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. That link is in the description. I will see you on the next video. Until then, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.